Hello everyone, this is Zach from Trip VSA. So today this short video here is a special request from one of our YouTube's friends. Okay, I'm looking into ANCOM right now. So ANCOM definitely currently I think is already breakout with a pretty big I can say kind of big momentums over here. So a few things that usually for momentum trades are a few things I would like to do. For lower risk, of course, I want to wait for a daily pullbacks. Okay, like what happens to some of the counters like CMB right now and GradTech right now. Okay, if let's say you are still looking for some momentum tradings from this breakout, probably you want to look into hourly chart, right? But for today, we want to cover for daily and weekly and what is the overall background, okay, for this MCON, right? So MCONs actually appears with Green Pentagon on 3rd of September. Actually, this is also like a shakeout as well. If you look closely, somewhere around here, it just completed like a shakeout. Okay, Green Pentagon pushing it back, and we got NS over here. So what you do is that you can actually check out the screener, especially for members, right? So NCON, okay, 3rd of September. Okay, I think the percentage currently so far from yesterday from the Green Pentagon is 36%, right? So you can check out the rest as well under this date on 3rd of September. Now, for members, this percentage here actually I find quite useful. If let's say, for example, you look back into like past 2 or 3 weeks ago, if you realize some of the stock that actually haven't really moved yet, like for example, in this case, like Zcon, MSM, Rojas, is still like below 5-6%. I think you can go back to relook into the chart again. So probably they are doing some pullback. They are doing some retest on support. I think still got chance for them to make a follow through, right? So there's a few things, few ways you can use it by, using these new features that we have in the screener. So going back to MCOM right now. So first of all, let's look into overall on weekly charts over here. So weekly charts way early. This is early this year with Pentagon. Mega pullbacks didn't trigger the red Pentagon, which is nice. I think for masterclass students, you're able to spot a nice range of COC, right? Just above the 40 MAs. So currently, like I say, it's a big breakout. This is like a pocket pivot in the weekly, right? Pocket pivot in weekly. So I think expect some minor pullbacks. Okay, if you are looking for a low risk trade. Okay, so if I put my resistance, okay, resistance over here, so we know that the NS is kind of like forming break like a support areas over here, right? So NS no supply representing no seller at the moment, and potentially it might build a pretty good support, right? So another thing that what you can do is that you open up your hourly chart. Okay, so hourly chart just turns to green pound as well. I think this is yesterday, right? Of course, NS. Right? Probably you want to wait for this kind of area to form again, right? For those that who are looking for low risk count tradings. Now, sometimes red pending up here doesn't mean it will go lower, but probably it will move sideways and pull back, right? Like for example, this area. So what you do is that if let's say it turns to red again, you wait for the next screen to write on the trends again, right? So this is how we trade on the reaccumulation of pullbacks in the hourly chart, right? So hopefully this short video here helps you to understand one or two things better regarding one spread analysis and how we use it, right, on weekly, daily, or even in hourly, right, to at least read the charts better or maybe times your entry exit better. So with this, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the like buttons.